Hey everyone! Welcome back to Bionica FX, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and business. Today, we've got some exciting news from the world of semiconductors. Let's dive right in. Memory chip giant SK Hynix has just announced a massive investment of 9.4 trillion Korean won, or about $6.8 billion, to build a new state-of-the-art semiconductor manufacturing plant in South Korea. This significant investment underscores the company's commitment to advancing technology and maintaining its competitive edge in the global market. This new fab will be strategically located in the Yongin Semiconductor Cluster, just south of Seoul, an area known for its concentration of high-tech industries and innovation. The South Korean government is heavily involved, building a huge complex of chip operations to support the industry. This initiative is part of a broader effort to bolster the country's position as a global leader in semiconductor manufacturing, ensuring a robust supply chain and fostering technological advancements. Construction is set to begin in March next year and is expected to be completed by May 2027. This will be SK Hynix's first manufacturing plant in the Yongin cluster, marking a significant milestone for the company. SK Hynix has been riding the AI wave thanks to its successful partnership with Nvidia. The company reported its highest quarterly profit in 6 years, driven by the demand for high-bandwidth memory used in AI applications. South Korea is a powerhouse in the semiconductor industry, known for its cutting-edge technology and innovation. It is home to both SK Hynix and Samsung, the world's largest memory chip maker, which dominate the global market with their advanced products. The South Korean government is heavily investing in the semiconductor sector, providing substantial funding and support to maintain its competitive edge. They see it as a strategic technology crucial for future growth, aiming to lead the world in semiconductor innovation and production. This commitment extends to education and workforce development, ensuring a steady stream of skilled professionals to drive the industry forward. With this new plant, SK Hynix aims to strengthen its position in the memory chip market. This state-of-the-art facility is designed to push the boundaries of what's possible in semiconductor technology, ensuring that SK Hynix remains at the forefront of innovation. The plant will not only boost production capacity but also support the growing demands of AI technology. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, the need for advanced memory solutions becomes more critical. SK Hynix is poised to meet these challenges head-on. This bold move underscores the company's commitment to innovation and leadership in the semiconductor industry. By investing in cutting-edge technology and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, SK Hynix is setting new standards for excellence. That's all for today's update. We hope you found this information insightful and exciting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech news and insights. Your support helps us bring you the latest updates from the world of technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Bionica FX. Stay tuned for more in-depth coverage and analysis of the tech industry's most exciting developments.